Yeah. Oh, he's chasing it. He's chasing it. I watched him eat it, bro. That was so sick. There's a giant one right here, too. Yep. Nice fish.
Look at that curve.
So guys, we out here with it. Chambers Lake, low as hell. But we'll see what we can do. We're going after some Lakers today. Hopefully we can get after it. If not, we'll shoot over to another lake, catch some grayling. But yeah, let's have a good day. This sink tip feels so weird. Yeah. Oh shit. I thought I had a bite. I was like, oh shit. Probably gonna do that like I have an egg sucking leech.
Gosh, bro.
A little Colorado on it.
The blue base is sick.
I know, dude.
Combo.
I had to buy the backing and line separate,
I bet.
but I was like, fuck, dude, blue and gold might look dope on that
Gosh,
shit.
dude, bro. Such a good setup.
Got the fucking PB&J, munching up, fucking freezing out here.
Quite literally.
Let's see if we can get anything though. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Got the setups. What are you running here?
Dry dropper. The little baby with the little whatever that is.
Okay, okay.
3 for 3. 3 for 3. Wind.
About to send the drone up. Get some dope shots, hopefully. Oh shit. Find a fucking Lee. God. Shit took ages, bro. He ate the scud. If you want one of these, I got one. You can throw on. Underneath your Copper John or something. Wow, this guy's pretty too, bro. Dimitri! We on? Oh shit. Well, there he goes. Didn't get a good video of him, but it's whatever. Caught that one. I've had a lot of bites, but I just tangled up. Yeah.
I think that streamer I gave you might be the only one they like.
You can have it back. It's on my rod over there. Well, you had one? I mean, what'd you feel? Nothing?
Nothing, I guess.
Maybe I had a little bite.
Just look away, you probably get a bite.
I know, right?
You just gotta stop paying attention.
It worked.
Just look away.
Yeah, you can. I have 3 minutes left on this SD card. Look at that fin. They're beautiful. Real beautiful fish. There he goes. Nice fish.
Look at that color.
Got one on the streamer. On the streamer.
Streamer?
Yeah. Fuck, dude. Jesus Christ. Finally. Well, that's the first fish finally. Yeah, dude, for real.
Damn, bro.
Aren't they sick? Hell yeah, guys. Grayling on the board. If you want to use the same exact streamer I have another one. We'll see if I keep catching them. What's up, guys? We up here in Red Feather, birthday weekend, and we're just fishing, trying to see if we can catch some big ones. There's some giants up in here, we just see them swimming around. So, throw some streamers around. We'll see what we can do. Peace out. Yep. No. It's not bad size though.
More than I can get.
Nice. What you think of this, bro? Not a bad one at all. Yeah. Nice size one, bro. It's a nice one. Yeah. Oh, nice. Super nice fish, guys. Yeah, guys, look at this. Oh, yeah. Nice. Super nice trout. Let's get a release on him. Cool. Sick. Let's catch another one.
Weighs a fucking pound.
Just get the double haul.
What?
The double haul.
What is that?
That's where you go here, and then all the way back, and then pull again when you go forward. I'm gonna move down a little bit. Oh, Gage, nice. Nice. Let him run. Fuck yeah, Gage.
There you go. Fuck, I'm the only one who can't catch one. I'm also throwing a fucking walleye streamer.
Yeah. Throwing a huge fucking.
Wow, that's just big.
Yes. Gage hooked up over here. The same one as me. Yeah. Nice, Gage.
Oh shit.
What you think?
It's a good one, bro.
Looks nice.
She's a fighter though. She's strong, bro.
Yeah. Yes, sir, baby.
She's strong now, dude. Oh, his buddy's right behind him. Oh, fuck. That fucker's huge.
The one behind it?
Yeah. It's on my left over here.
Dude, that's a nice
It's okay.
fish.
Dude, this fish strong, bro. This fish ain't fucking around.
Nah.
Oh, dude, he's trying to get out of town.
Ooh, big wake over there.
That wake goes fast. It's fucking, dude, this fish feels heavy, dude.
Looks nice.
Dude.
And it has some strong line on it, so shouldn't break too easy.
Is it a tiger?
No, it's a rainbow. Nice rainbow though.
Holy shit, dude. He's got a lot of kick in him.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh shit.
For the YouTube.
Still got a little more juice in him, but we're close.
Try and get his head up. Turn his head. Yep.
Do I even have him hooked in a little Nice.
Yeah, it's right in the mouth right there. Yeah, he is.
Holy shit, man, this fish got some energy.
Yeah.
There you go, he pulled real hard right there.
Just keep reeling. Just try and get his head up. Control him by his head.
Out of the water almost?
Yeah.
This fish is crazy. I feel like I'm saltwater fishing right now. God damn, bud. Keep going. Oh, he still got it in him.
Try and get his head up. Yep, keep it up. Oh.
God, dude, he's so strong. He keeps diving like that.
Yep, drag him. Oh, nice, dude. That's a nice ass fish, bro. Nice, bro. What a fish. Beautiful. Okay.
Those mega monsters.
Nice fish, bro.
Dude, that fucker was fighting.
Yeah.
He's relentless.
Right along this dirt. He's going in the dirt. He's right up next to the shore.
Like on that dirt on your side?
Yeah. Oh, he's chasing it. He's chasing it.
Oh shit.
I watched him eat it, bro. That was so sick. There's a giant one right here, too. That was sick, dude. Oh, nope, he's looping back around. He's chasing the fish I have on. This guy's nothing special. Holy. Come on. Calm your bitch ass down. I switch it up constantly.
Yeah, 'cause I feel like I was going pretty fast when I caught that one. I was going like this.
This guy, I was like twitching fast and then I let it sink. I let it just stop completely and then he hit it. Nice. He inhaled that shit too. Nice little, let's see if y'all can see. Nice little trout. There he goes. What up, y'all? See, I never know how to start these things, bro.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Yeah. Like, what the fuck do I say? What's up, guys? We finally out here again. It's been a little bit, but we're up here in Estes fishing the Thompson. Wasn't recording, but he just caught one. Super pretty out here. And we'll see. I'm still rigging up, but we'll see what we can get on. Hopefully it's a good day.